Hello everyone. So yesterday I was getting bored and I was just scrolling my LinkedIn feed. I liked many posts and comments, and I want to like kind of appreciate. Good job, man. You are doing good. And sometimes no, it's not good. Very simple, basic things. And I was very lazy, so I thought, why not to integrate AI into LinkedIn? So I created a extension last night for me, and I loved it. So I thought, why not to share it with everyone? It's good thing. And second thing, I made it as such so that it doesn't require any complex hosting or server or API. I could create it as an SaaS based model, but I made it for myself, and I it's not perfect. It's just for me, but I really liked it, so I'm sharing it with you guys. And if you like it really, and somebody is like kind of giving it to everyone, I I I think you should share if you like the product, the post. And so let's get the step. We'll do it in two steps. First to install, and second is to use. So let's install. I'll provide all the links in the YouTube video as well as on the LinkedIn post here. So just download the extension here, what I've given here, unzip it, then open Chrome's extensions. So nothing special, just copy it, go into your Chrome, paste, then it says put developer on. So this should be on. Make sure this is like this, and then install unpacked. This is load unpacked. It's LinkedIn response. This is our folder which we have just unzipped it. Okay. Now you get your API key from this URL. It's Open API's API key. If you are not logged in, just create your account. You will end up here and create a new key. Just copy this key and add key to extension. So if you have loaded your extensions that way, you will be having it here, my AI writer for LinkedIn. Just click it here, paste your API key and submit, and just reload the things, and the magic starts here. So to make the video very clear, I have thanks here. Okay, so some tests. So let's say I want to post something on LinkedIn. So whenever you you're about to create a post, you get two buttons here. So first is the prompt. So you write anything and send it to ChatGPT, and it will answer you here as an post. So let's write it here. So I was going on a road and saw some children going to school in early morning. While there's nothing new in here, can you create this as an emotional story? It can be right, wrong. We know ChatGPT can understand that thing, and just create it as in post. If the things has been rightly set up, here you go. Beautiful emotional story created by ChatGPT. That thing you can do. Second thing is like professionalism. Even me, sometimes what happens, I have some vague idea in my mind what I want to say, but I don't get professional words for it. And I've seen many people like kind of they struggle because their English is not good. They don't create content. It's like kind of fear in them to be judged, so they don't post. So here what I've done, there's some grammar mistake, spelling mistake, but I have, if you can read this, pause and read, and you've written what you want to say, and just see professionalize. So what does professionalize does? It takes your content and gives you a perfectly professional tones of the things. So let's do the next thing. Okay, and this is not the only case. You can do the same in the comments also. So I have selected a post. You don't have to select any post. Like basically whatever you do and you find any content, so I don't want to be, so it's a content where Rishi Sunak is saying something about SVB. Okay, right. And if I go to comment, So again, the same, I say something and just click it, it will be used as prompt, or I can professionalize the text. But there is 4 interesting thing I have added, and I'll keep adding it. If you follow me on LinkedIn, how you can follow me? So just go to this tool and you will get a link here that will land you to my profile. So that's a good way to follow me. Okay, anyway, so what you do, you can agree with this post. So you click agree, so it reads the content and gives a positive agreeing tone with the post. If you don't like it, just click it again, it will give you another writing. If you want to deny, and a very important thing, it is not just saying that I agree, it is reasoning with it. And if you want to say deny, it is denying with reason. If you read it, pause and read it, it's denying with reasoning. You don't look idiot. And then there is some agreeing and denying with easy tone, like not so professional, but a simple tone. I also wanted to add funny here, that I'll update the humor mode and more things. But this is what I made last night, and I really like this thing, so I thought to share with the people. So if you are seeing this video, just share. It might help some people to create more content. It might help them to come and write something what they want to say, but they are not just doing it because they fear that their expression is not good. So I think it will give new horizons to our things, and it's a good extension. So thank you.